Hey YouTubers, this is a video of my Aer Lingus Skymarks Airbus A330. As you can see, is the model Skymarks Airbus A330. See writing. There it is. I love this aircraft. I wanted this aircraft. I love this aircraft. It came with it as well. It's a model. It's Skymarks Aer Lingus Airbus A330-200. Here it is. Aer Lingus Airbus A330-200. Here it is. There's the model. Let me just show you in the light. Here it is. You got your engines there. Underneath you got the wings. There's the Aer Lingus logo. It's on the tails as well. Winglets even. Cockpit. I love this aircraft. I wanted this aircraft as a Christmas present. Peter got. I know. I had it as a Christmas present from my mum. Yeah. There's all the doors. I'll show you the wingspan of it. I like it. And the rear of this aircraft. And I'll show you the wingspan. Well, thank you for watching, YouTubers. Please write and comment on this video. And I'll probably do the next video soon. Thanks for watching, YouTubers. Bye.